Good morning, MacGyver Sharon here. Today we're cooking up how to hang curtain rods in your fiberglass camper shell without drilling. In this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. Alright, the recipe for installing your curtain rods for the inside back window of your camper shell. First, you need Red Bull. Then you need chapstick because, you just need it. You need a nut driver. You need a big crescent winch, haha. You need a Allen tool. You need a ratchet. You need a wonderful screwdriver. You're gonna need a nylock, a screw, a fancy bracket, another bracket, a straight one that we're going to bend using this vise and this manly crescent wrench. And you need a curtain rod and some curtains. So, these are curtains from a thrift store in Pine, Arizona. This is a cheapy curtain rod. And of course you need the window. So what I'm going to do is unscrew this bolt right here. Bend this accordingly, and I'm going to add the fancy bracket this way, and the curtain rod will go right through that hole, and then I will reattach this to the nut in the window. All right, let's get started. Well, finally, the curtains are done. Had one side done and just got busy living. So this is what I've done. This is the whole picture of my window. And I didn't want to drill any holes on that side of the shell because, well, I just don't have that flexibility. So, this is what I've done. I've bent that little bracket. I've bolted it down to this bolt that was in there anyway. So I bent it to go down and in. I put this little bracket on it, and I put the curtain rod right through it. And I've done the same thing on the other side. So, got some pretty little girly curtains, and this way they're easier to slide back when I have to drive, because although I can keep one side of my shell covered, I have to be able to see. This is my blind side, so this is why these curtains just fold down so I can look out through there. I put my pillows down. Oh, Mihal made this for me in junior high. It's been restuffed a couple times, but that's my security pillow. Anyway, so that's the curtain rods. And I can slide them back without too much difficulty. And to hold them in place, clippy. So I just slide it back and add the little clippy while I'm driving. And that is curtain rods on your fiberglass truck shell without drilling. MacGyver Sharon style 101. Ha ha ha. Alright. Wanted to get that done. Packing up camp. RTR's over. Gonna head out to the desert and bathe. Yay! Bathing! Alright. So, let's not forget. Peace, love, and understanding, everybody. Y'all take care of yourself out there.